that I met you, girl, I knew that it was something special, but I couldn't put my finger on it. Fuck, I can't sing. Whatever.
Hello everyone, Troy Ignacio here, and I'm gonna introduce you to the International Phonetic Alphabet, or known as the IPA. It is used to denote pronunciation of English words. Each symbol is treated separately with explanation and examples that are at the same time a link to a dictionary where you can listen to the word pronounced both in American and British English. I'm going to teach you the among all English vowels. Let's start off with A. The cat. Bad. Sad. The sound. One more time. Bra. Calm. Palm. The sound. God. Pot. Top. The sound. The butt. Cut. Gun. The S sound. Get. Bed. Set. Sell. E. The E sound. Pit. Bin. Fill. Ow sound. The ow. Saw. Straw. Dawn. The oo sound. The oo. Put. Full. Good. Wood.